What is the value of steady state current in a given circuit? It's known that at a steady state, the capacitor will completely charge and it will not allow any current pass through it. The circuit will become like this, and it's known that the formula for calculating the current is nothing but I is equal V divided by R. So here the value of V is representing the value of potential difference by the battery, which is given as 10, and R is representing the total resistance. In the circuit, we have two resistance which is connected in series. It's known that when it is connected in series, the total resistance can be calculated by adding the individual resistance. So here, the total resistance will be equal to 2 plus 3, which will be equal to 5. Now we have a value of V and R. So we can calculate the value of I is equal 10 divided by 5, which will be equal to 2 ampere. So the correct answer for this question is option C.